Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important if you want to learn AutoCAD. I'm going to explain this draw panel. You see this draw panel, line, polyline, circle, arc, and they have its many command is here. So we are learn one by one. First of all, we learn about this line. Click here. Also you see the draw panel is here, this menu bar. Also you can select from here which one you want. You can select from here. So we select from here line, and you see this one is straight line. If you want to line this line is up down, you can earth mode off. You see this line is up and down. If you want to straight line, you can on the earth mode. You see if you want to this line is like that, you see, and exit, enter, and again we use this same line and click specify the first point. If you want to, this one is line by dimension, so I can give him the dimension by keyboard 400 mm, then enter from keyboard. You see this line is 400 mm. So now I will check the dimension from here, specify the first point, then second point. You see this line is 400 mm. Again we use this command and click here, and we use this line is 300 mm, and from left side this 400 mm, and come down this line is 200 mm. You see I take again dimension. You see from here to here this line is 200 mm. Again this line is 400 mm, and this line is, and this line is 300 mm. You see, so this one is line command, and again we learn this polyline. This is a polyline. Specify first point, then again second is same this line, but they have is little bit different. You see in the command bar here, this area, you see they have is many options. Now we are choose the option. We are select A from keyboard, then enter, then you see they have it here this arc line. This one is this different from line and polyline. You see, you see, then enter. This one is cancel. You see, and also they have is different. If you select this line you can select separate. You see, if you want to select this line, you see this line is select by all the line. Again we see this polyline, and you see select specify first point, second point, third, fourth, this one. See if I select this one, this select by one line, one by one. If I select this line, this line is select by completely. So this one is different, is polyline and line, and again escape from keyboard and select this circle, and you see, and specify, click here, first point, then how much you want. I give him the dimension from keyboard 200 mm. You see, this one is 200 mm. I take a dimension, same here to here. You see, this one is 200, and the roundabout 400 mm. You see, this one is circle. They have as many circles. Center dimension 2 point, 3 point, 10, 10. This one. Which one you want? You can. This one is 3-point circle. If I want to click this one, I select one, then select two, and then select here this three. You see, these 3 line circuits. They have is, you see, they have is many circle. You can use this all of circle. And again, this one is arc. They have is arc line. Is same this one. We are use this one 3-point arc. First point. Then you see, then a second point, and this one is third point. If you choose from here, again, you see, first point is here, and second point is here, and third point is here. You see, this one is, again, you see, this one is 3-point arc. Okay. Same this one, and again we check this 3-point. You see, 1 point, second point, and third point. We are use this one is for shade, and again here, and again here is rectangle. This one is rectangle. Select and specify the first corner point and specify the other corner point. You see, this one, and again we select. If you want to give him the dimension, you give him, specify the first point, and you see here you want to area, dimension, and rotation. So I give him the D for dimension from keyboard. Give him the dimension from keyboard 400 mm by 400 mm. You see, this one is, I will check the dimension, first point, then second point. You see, this one is 400 mm. Again we check another corner. You see, this one is 400 mm. This one is 4 corner. So we are learn again polygon. This one is polygon. Enter the number of siders. We give him the 5-sider. Then select, enter, specify the center point. We give him this center point, and inscribe circular. You see, I want to this one. If you give him the dimension, same, you can give him the dimension. We give him 200 mm. You see, this one is polygon. Again they have his circle, this center, the accent, elliptical enter, and this circle. You see, this one, you see, this circle is coming like that. This circle and this circle, what is the difference? This one is round shape. You see, this circuit is round shape and this circuit is 3D type shape. You see this one. There is difference. And again, this one is hatch command. We are select first this hatch, and you see here, and what you want, you can hatch is file it is here. You see, we hatch only this one is 1, 2, and again this one is gradient. This one is gradient. You see, this one is gradient. They has is many colors. What you want, you can choose different color from here below. You see, and you want to yellow, and you want to this color white. Which color you want, you can change from here. And again, they have is boundary. This one is boundary. Polygon pick point. You see, boundary. What is this boundary? You see, this one is separate and this one is separate. If we select this boundary point, then pick point is here. You see, this one is coming boundary. You see, this one is same as a one line.
So you see they have his draw panel is here, and this command, you see the spell fit and spell CV and construction line and ray and multi points. This one is we will learn again next lecture. So today is finished. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.